is up, everyone? Today I'm showing you guys an amazing tutorial. So basically this is a transposition effect that I came up with. It's a bit weird, and there's a few moves that are kind of difficult, but overall I'm pretty happy with this trick. So basically you just have the spectator pick a card, and then you would put it back in the middle like this. So in this case it's the Queen of Diamonds. So you would do the crap, I'm trying to think of this move. I cannot think of it. I know what it is though, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can learn this move. I just can't think of the name of it right now. But basically what's happening is I show the card and then I do this. As I come down, I have actually switched the cards out. So this card is here and their card is here. And then I just pull that to the bottom and spread it. Now, normally when you do this move, you would pull it to the very bottom. But for this effect, let's say it's the Seven of Spades. For this effect, you would do the move, and then you'd pull this, and you'd actually bring it all the way to actually second from the bottom. So right there. And then you put everything in, and then you'd put this card on top like this, and make sure you tell them like, oh, no, I'll just leave your card on the top for now. And then you're going to show them the bottom card, which will not be their card. Their card will be second from the bottom. So you're going to show them their card, and you're going to do a move called the slide, I believe, but it's kind of a different version. So the normal version, you hold the deck like this, you show the card, and then you put it down like this. But this version, and what you're basically doing is when you come down, you're just sliding this card back and then pulling this card out when you put it on the bottom or on the table. But this move, you're gonna hold the deck like this, and when you show them the card, you're gonna pull it out this way with your fingers like this, and you're gonna pull this out. So under here they won't be able to see what you're doing, but you'll just be actually pulling the second from the top card, which will actually be their card, and you're gonna leave that on the table. Maybe put the card box on top, or tell them to put their hand on it or something. In the performance I just put it to the side, but I wouldn't do that. Tell them to put their hand on it. That's probably the best thing. Now what is happening is the bottom card that they saw, they're gonna think is here, but it's actually on the bottom. But they think their card is on top right now, and the bottom card is here. So since they think their card is on the top, you're gonna have to make it look like you're dealing this to the table. And since it's on the bottom, you're going to do a bottom deal. Now, I know a bottom deal is very difficult for a lot of people, but you need to learn this move. This move is so helpful in so many ways. There's so many tricks you can do with it, and it's just, you need to learn the bottom deal. I don't know if I'll leave a link below. There's so many places you can learn it, but I mean, there's so many places on YouTube you can learn it. But anyways, basically the one I do is I guess I'll leave a link for the one I do anyways. So I'm gonna I come on under with my middle finger and I push this card out, and my middle finger slides in between these two fingers, and then as I pull this top card back, I pull this one out to deal. So in speed it looks like that. Doesn't look as great on camera, but in real life it looks a lot better because you can just quickly do it. But so now your situation, the cards have been switched. So your card is there, or their card is where they thought the bottom card was, and the bottom card is where they thought their card was. So that's just a neat little transposition effect that I came up with quite a while ago actually, but I just decided to teach it here. So anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.